are going to proceed to the measures of variability for the ungrouped data. Measures of variability, quartile, decile, and percentile for ungrouped data. Let's discuss first quartile. Quartile divides the data into 4. The formula is quartile k equals n times k divides 4, where k can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, depending on what is asked. And n is the number of respondents. We have a sample problem here. Look for the following: quartile 3 and quartile 1. We also have the given number 81, 91, 80, 76, 95, and 80. So, i-arrange natin siya or i-order natin from lowest to highest. So, we have 76 as the lowest. Next is 80. We also have another 80. Next is 81, 91, and we have 95 as the highest. Since we are looking for the quartile 3, so we need to solve first quartile 3. Quartile 3 equals n, the number of respondents. So, count natin kung ilan yung respondents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, n equals to 6 because we have 6 respondents. 6 times 3 because 3 is being asked. Divide 4. So, 6 times 3 equals 18. Divide 4. 18 divided 4 is 4.5. So, round up natin. 4.5 equals to 5. So, yung quartile 3 natin is rank 5th or yung pang-5. So, yung pang-5 natin is 91. So, yung quartile 3 equals 91. At nakita na natin yung quartile 3 and now we're going to solve quartile 1. So, quartile 1 equals number of respondents, 6 times 1 because 1 is being asked, divide 4. So, 6 times 1 equals 6 over 4. So, 6 divided by 4 equals 1.5. So, 1.5, you have to round up. So, 2 or yung pang-second rank. So, ano yung pang-second dito? So, we have 80. Quartile 1 is 80. After getting the quartile 1 and quartile 3, we also need to get interquartile range. This will tell us if there is outliers. For example, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 45, 50, and 500. So, ang interquartile range will determine if there is an outliers. So, sa example na to, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 500, ang outlier is ang 500 kasi ang layo niya sa last number which is 50. Nag-jump siya sa 500. So, if the interquartile range is very big, the outliers affects the result of the computation. Interquartile range equals quartile k minus quartile k divide 2. So, dahil sa sample problem natin, we looked for the quartile 3 and quartile 1. Quartile 3 natin is in the 5th place and ang quartile 1 natin is in the 2nd place. So, IQR equals quartile 3 is 5th. So, lagyan natin 5th. And then, minus the quartile 1, which is in the 2nd place. So, divide 2. So, 5 minus 2 is 3 over 2. Divide pa natin. So, 3 divide 2 equals 1.5. Round up natin. 1.5 is 2. So, ang IQR is 2. Ibig sabihin, hindi malaki yung difference ng quartile 3 and quartile 1. So, ibig sabihin, there is no outliers sa given set of data. Next is the decile. Decile divides the data into 10. We have the formula decile k equals n times k divide 10, where k can be number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 depending on what is asked, and n is the number of respondents. We have another problem here. Look for the following: decile 4 and decile 7. The set data is 81, 91, 80, 76, 95, and 80. Same in the quartile, we have the order from lowest to highest. So we have 76 is the lowest. We have 80. We also have another 80, 81, 91, and 95. So let's solve first decile 4. Decile 4 equals the number of respondents. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 respondents. So n equals 6 times 4, because 4 is being asked, divide 10, because decile divides the data into 10. So 6 times 4 equals 24, divide 10. So 24 divide 10 equals 2.4. 2.4. So 2.4, round down, two. So pang second. So yung decile 4 natin is 81. Also, so done na tayo sa decile 4. So decile 7. Decile 7 equals 6 times 7 over 10. 6 times 7 is 42 over 10. So 42 divide 10 is 4.2, or hindi siya mara-round up kasi 0.2 lang. So remain 4. And our decile 7 is in the rank number 4. So ang 4 natin is 81. So ayun, that is decile for the ungrouped data. Next, we have the percentile. Percentile divides the data into 100. The formula is percentile k equals n times k over 100, where k can be rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, depending on what is asked, and n is the number of respondents. So, for example, look for the following: percentile 75 and percentile 84. So we have the given set of data: 80, 95, 76, 80, 91, and 81. So we need, again, to order the set of data from lowest to highest. So we have 76, 80, 80, next 81, 91, and 95. So let's solve the percentile 75. So P 75 times, ilan yung respondents? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n is 6, since we have 6 respondents, times 75 over 100. So 6 times 75 is 400. Divide 100. 400 divide 100 is 4. So ang P7 natin is in the rank number 4. So P75 is 81. 81. So nakuha na natin ang P75. So isolve naman natin ang P84. So P84 times 6, because 6 is the respondent, times 84, because 84 is being asked, over 100. So 6 times 84 is 504 over 100. So 500, 4 divided 100 equals 5.04. So it's still 5. So our percentile 84 is in the rank number 5. So ang 5 natin is, ano ba? Is 91. So, ayan, nakuha na natin ang P75 and P84. So, we are done with the measures of variability and group data. We're going to proceed now to group data of measures of central tendency.